Number 7, we're looking to find the volume. Here, the volume, again, it is defined by the volume is equal to the base area. And we're going to stack that by the height of h. The only difference though is now this base area is changing size as it is being multiplied or being stacked height. So we have to multiply by 1/3. The 1/3 comes from the changing of the base area's size. All right, so the base area is this here, which can be just seen as length times width. Length times width times that height of 14. So we can plug it in. 1/3 times the 18 times 12 times 14. That would now get us our volume. 1/3 times 18 times 12 times 14. And that is 1008 centimeters cubed.